Every single day, more than trillions of dollars are exchanged in the foreign exchange market, making Forex the largest financial market in the world. Banks, multinational corporations, governments, hedge funds, and millions of individual traders all participate in this global marketplace, creating opportunities around the clock. On social media, it's easy to believe Forex is a shortcut to luxury cars, quick profits, and financial freedom. But behind the flashy lifestyles and screenshots of winning trades lies a very different reality. The truth is that Forex trading is neither a guaranteed path to wealth nor a scam. It is a highly competitive financial market where success requires education, discipline, risk management, and emotional control. Many beginners lose money because they jump in without understanding how the market works. In this video, I'll explain Forex trading from the ground up, helping you understand not only how it works but also the mindset required if you want to approach it responsibly. Forex, short for foreign exchange, is the global marketplace where currencies are bought and sold. Every time a business imports goods from another country, a tourist exchanges money before traveling, or an international company pays overseas employees, a Forex transaction takes place. For retail traders, Forex offers the opportunity to speculate on whether one currency will strengthen or weaken against another. But unlike investing in stocks, where you're buying ownership in a company, Forex trading is about predicting movements between two currencies. Today, we'll cover everything beginners need to know: how currency pairs work, what moves exchange rates, leverage and margin, the importance of risk management, common mistakes, and whether Forex trading is truly a realistic way to build wealth. When people first discover Forex trading, they're often attracted by one feature above everything else: accessibility. Unlike many other financial markets, Forex operates 24 hours a day during the business week, allowing traders from around the world to participate regardless of their location. Combined with modern trading platforms and low account minimums, it's easier than ever to open a trading account. However, ease of access should never be confused with ease of success. At its core, Forex trading involves exchanging one currency for another. Every trade consists of a currency pair. For example, in the EUR-USD pair, you're comparing the euro against the US dollar. If you believe the euro will strengthen relative to the dollar, you buy the pair. If you believe the euro will weaken, you sell the pair. Your profit or loss depends on whether your prediction proves correct. Currency values constantly change because economies are always changing. Interest rate decisions by central banks, inflation reports, employment figures, GDP growth, geopolitical events, trade balances, and investor confidence all influence currency prices. When the US Federal Reserve raises interest rates, for example, the US dollar often strengthens because higher rates may attract foreign investment. Likewise, unexpected political instability or economic weakness can reduce demand for a country's currency. Understanding these economic relationships is one of the most important skills a Forex trader can develop. Successful traders rarely rely solely on luck or intuition. They spend time analyzing both fundamental factors, such as economic news and monetary policy, and technical factors, such as price charts, support and resistance levels, trends, and trading volume. One of the features that makes Forex unique is leverage. Leverage allows traders to control a much larger position than the amount of money deposited in their account. For example, with 30.1 leverage, a trader with $1,000 may control a position worth $30,000. This significantly increases both potential profits and potential losses. While leverage can amplify gains, it can just as easily wipe out an account if the market moves against you. This is why experienced traders often use much less leverage than brokers make available. Risk management is arguably more important than finding winning trades. Many beginners spend months searching for the perfect strategy while completely ignoring position sizing. Professional traders understand that protecting capital is their first priority. Even excellent trading strategies experience losing streaks. Limiting risk on each trade, often to only a small percentage of total account value, helps traders survive long enough to benefit from future opportunities. Emotional discipline also separates successful traders from unsuccessful ones. After a winning streak, overconfidence often encourages traders to increase position sizes excessively. After several losses, Frustration can lead to revenge trading, where decisions become emotional instead of logical. Neither response improves long-term performance. The most consistent traders follow predefined trading plans, regardless of recent results. Another important concept is liquidity. The Forex market is the largest and most liquid financial market in the world. Major currency pairs, such as EUR/USD, USD/JPY, GBP/USD, and USD/CHF, generally experience smaller bid-ask spreads because of the enormous trading volume. Lower spreads reduce trading costs, making these pairs particularly attractive for beginners compared with more exotic currency pairs that often have higher volatility and wider spreads. Many new traders also underestimate the importance of trading psychology. Markets don't reward impatience. Successful traders understand that they don't need to trade every day. Sometimes the best decision is to wait for high-quality opportunities that align with their strategy. Trading simply because the market is open often leads to unnecessary losses. One of the biggest myths surrounding Forex is that successful traders win almost every trade. In reality, many profitable traders may only win between 45% and 60% of their trades. Their profitability comes from ensuring that average winning trades are larger than average losing trades. This concept, known as a positive risk-to-reward ratio, allows traders to remain profitable even without an exceptionally high win rate. For beginners, demo accounts provide an excellent way to gain experience without risking real money. They allow traders to learn platform functionality, practice strategies, and develop emotional discipline before committing actual capital. While demo trading cannot fully replicate the emotions associated with real financial risk, it provides valuable experience that many beginners overlook. It is also important to understand that Forex trading differs fundamentally from long-term investing. Investors generally seek to build wealth gradually through appreciating assets such as stocks, ETFs, or real estate. Forex traders often pursue shorter-term opportunities based on price fluctuations. Neither approach is inherently better, but they require different skills, personalities, and expectations. Many financially successful individuals actually combine long-term investing with limited, carefully managed trading rather than relying exclusively on Forex. Ultimately, Forex trading should be approached as a professional skill rather than a shortcut to riches. Like learning a language, mastering a musical instrument, or becoming a successful entrepreneur, profitable trading takes time, continuous learning, careful risk management, and emotional discipline. Those who approach Forex with realistic expectations are far more likely to build sustainable skills than those searching for overnight success. The Forex market in 2026 continues to be heavily influenced by central bank policy. Investors remain focused on interest rate decisions and commentary from the U.S. Federal Reserve, the European Central Bank, ECB, the Bank of England, BOE, the Bank of Japan, BOJ, and the Reserve Bank of Australia, RBA, as these institutions play a major role in shaping global currency movements. The US dollar index, DXY, remains one of the most closely watched indicators for Forex traders, reflecting the strength of the US dollar against a basket of major currencies. Economic data such as US inflation, CPI, non-farm payroll reports, unemployment figures, GDP growth, and retail sales continue to generate significant volatility in major currency pairs, including EUR/USD, GBP/USD, USD/JPY, and AUD/USD. Artificial intelligence is also becoming increasingly important in trading. Many brokers now provide AI-assisted market analysis, automated alerts, advanced charting tools, and algorithmic trading capabilities. While these technologies can improve efficiency, experienced traders continue emphasizing that no software can eliminate the need for sound risk management and disciplined decision-making. Forex trading offers enormous opportunities, but it also carries significant risks. Success isn't determined by finding one magical strategy or copying someone else's trades. It's built through education, patience, discipline, and protecting your capital. Remember, your first goal isn't to make money. Your first goal is to stay in the game long enough to become a consistently better trader. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos on investing, personal finance, stock markets, ETFs, Forex, and building long-term wealth. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever traded Forex, or are you planning to start? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Stay disciplined, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.